Pregnancy is one of the happiest phases in a woman's life, but it can have its own set of mental and physical stresses. Maintaining a healthy and balanced diet is very important during the period of pregnancy, as it helps both the mother and the baby to stay healthy. During this time, your body needs extra nutrients to improve your baby's health. It is every parent's dream that his baby grows up to be healthy and intelligent. Sure, a mother's diet, genes, and emotions play a part in developing a growing baby's intelligence. You need to add 400 to 500 extra calories each day in your diet during the second and third trimesters. Pregnant women are needed to take extra care of what they eat during the pregnancy period to fulfill the special nutritional requirements of the baby. Poor dietary choices can make you fat and also increase the risk of birth complications. We have compiled a list of some good foods that you can eat to improve baby brain development during pregnancy through diet. 1. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids are integral to your baby's brain development. Pregnant women must eat fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and herring for giving birth to intelligent children. The omega-3 fatty acids in fish help the baby's brain to develop, and higher levels of DHA in newborns have even been associated with higher IQs, advanced motor skills, and fewer neurological problems later on. Considering eating at least 2 or more servings of fish per week. Another option in seafood includes oysters, which are rich in iodine. Pregnant women with low iodine levels should note that their baby's intelligence can be affected negatively if healthy levels of the same aren't maintained. 2. Green leafy vegetables. Eating green leafy vegetables like spinach and lentils, which are rich in calcium, vitamin A, vitamin C, fiber, iron, and folic acid, helps keep your baby's brain protected from tissue damage. Folic acid in vegetables is also known for reducing the risk of neural tube defects, eliminating cleft lip and various heart defects in babies. You also reduce the risk of preeclampsia during pregnancy when you make sure to maintain your intake of foods or supplements rich in folic acid. 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are antioxidant-rich foods that will aid your baby's cognitive development. Other alternatives for blueberries are strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, tomatoes, beans, and artichokes. 4. Eggs. Eggs are high in protein and low in calories, especially boiled eggs. Eggs contain proteins and amino acid called choline, which is critical to fetal brain development and reduces the risk of neural tube defects, such as spina bifida. They are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids. Also, ensure that you avoid unpasteurized eggs since they contain bacteria which may lead to complications. 5. Nuts. Nuts are the best choice, and you have several different choices. All nuts contain magnesium, iron, copper, selenium, and zinc. Walnuts, almonds, and pistachios include omega-3 fatty acids, which are valuable for your baby's development. Munching on magnesium-rich foods helps reduce the risk of premature labor and aids in the development of a baby's nervous system. They have brain-boosting omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, fibers, and other essential nutrients which are crucial for the development of the baby. 6. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in iodine, which helps reduce or prevent the possibility of your baby being born with low birth weight. It also contains calcium, which is important for the health of your bones and teeth, as well as the development of your child, and cutting back on this essential nutrient could put you and your child at risk. You can snack on Greek yogurt with fruit topped with fruits for extra protein and fiber. 7. Cheese. Vitamin D is very important for the cognitive development of babies. Pregnant mothers with low levels of vitamin D in their bodies can give birth to babies with low IQ levels. If you want a smart baby with a healthy IQ, make sure to up your dose of cheese. 8. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are loaded with zinc. Zinc is a mineral that's known to promote proper brain structure and aid in the cognitive processing of information. They are high in nutrition and are a rich source of antioxidants too. 9. Legumes. Legumes are a group of foods that includes lentils, soybeans, peas, beans, chickpeas and peanuts. They are an excellent source of plant-based fiber, protein, folate, calcium and iron, and all of these are very important for a pregnant woman. Having enough folate will make sure that your baby will be born healthy and stay protected from many diseases and infections in the future. 10. Dairy products. During pregnancy, the consumption of dairy products is very important. It helps you meet the extra requirement of proteins and calcium, which gives support to your growing fetus. Drink at least 1 glass of milk a day and consume more Greek yogurt, paneer, and ghee to keep your baby healthy. 11. Oatmeal. Start your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal to increase your energy level. Oats are a great source of fiber, protein, and vitamin B6, which are essential for a better baby's development. Whole grains are great for keeping your energy levels up, especially if morning sickness has you feeling a bit drained. Oatmeal contains complex carbohydrates that keep you feeling full for longer and lower your cholesterol levels. 12. Orange juice. Drinking a glass of orange juice can fight colds, helps your body better absorb iron, and keeps both your and baby's teeth and bones healthy. It has good folate and folic acid, which prevents certain birth defects early on in pregnancy. The potassium in orange juice is important for keeping your muscle function, metabolism, and overall health in check. Orange is also an excellent source of vitamin C. You can also get your vitamin C from broccoli, tomatoes, strawberries, red peppers, and a variety of citrus fruits, including another prenatal power food, mangoes, which are packed with more than 20 different vitamins and minerals. 13. Lean meat. Lean meat, which are low on fat like beef, pork, and chicken, are excellent sources of high-quality protein. Beef and pork are also rich in iron, choline, and other B vitamins, all of which you'll need in higher amounts during pregnancy. Your body needs a lot more protein now to help the baby grow and to ensure that her muscles develop properly. Lean meat supplies a hefty dose of vitamins B6, which helps baby's tissue and brain growth while easing mum's morning sickness, and B12, which helps maintain healthy nerves and red blood cells. 14. Beans and lentils. Beans and lentils are great sources of protein and iron, as well as folate, fiber, and calcium. And beans, especially baked ones, are also bursting with zinc. Beans boast a bunch of babies and mum-friendly minerals found in animal products, so they're a great option for vegetarian and vegan moms. Beans are also rich in zinc, an essential mineral that's linked to a lower risk for preterm delivery, low birth weight, and prolonged labor. Other great sources of zinc include meat, chicken, milk, fortified cereals, cashews, peas, crab, and oysters. Just don't eat them raw. 15. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a very good source of beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A inside the body, and it is essential for the growth of cells and tissues. It contains vitamin A, which plays an important role in the development of a baby's eyes, bones, and skin. Eating these potatoes is also a great way to meet your iron quota, and also contain copper, a mineral that helps your body absorb iron. 16. Broccoli. Broccoli is full of nutrients, like calcium and folate, that are necessary for a healthy pregnancy. It also is a great source of fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron when you eat it with iron-rich food, like brown rice or whole wheat pasta. 17. Bananas. Bananas have high levels of potassium, which fight off that terrible pregnancy fatigue that drains your body by midday. So carrying a banana with you in your purse is a great idea. It's a pregnancy superfood that's also easy to eat on the go. Eat them plain or add them to your yogurt, smoothies, or cereal. 18. Carrots. Pregnant women need vitamin A because it helps the development of the skin, eyes, teeth, and bones of their baby. You don't want to skimp out on vitamin A, and carrots are a fantastic source. Also, the high fiber content keeps your bowels moving, reducing constipation. 19. Sea salt. Sea salt contributes to proper fetal development because it contains a very important element, iodine. You can get ample amounts of iodine in your diet by using sea salt in your dishes, and it works towards balancing your hormones. 20. Avocados. Avocados are delicious additions to your salads and sandwiches, and pregnant women can rejoice in knowing they can eat as many avocados as they want. These fruits are a source of folic acid, which is needed for neural tube development, and vitamin C. 21. Popcorn. Popcorn has high levels of fiber, vitamin E, and antioxidant compounds. These nutrients strengthen your baby's cell membranes. But don't take excessive amounts of salt and butter when you add it to popcorn. Try minimal butter and using some Parmesan cheese for flavoring. Don't gain too much weight. You're eating for two now, but packing on too many pounds during pregnancy ups your chances of a premature delivery, and babies born early may be at a disadvantage when it comes to learning. Premature delivery is one of the greatest risk factors for mental impairment. You can consider taking supplements if you have a hard time meeting your recommended daily intake of iron, vitamin D, and folic acid, but consult a doctor regarding dosages before starting to use them. Thank you for watching. Give your thumbs up if you liked this video. If you want more health tips and tricks, you can subscribe to the channel.